Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring the powerful third part of the Vishnu Gayatri Mantra, Om Narayanaya Vidmahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayat. This sacred mantra is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, who maintains balance, harmony, and sustains all life. Chanting this mantra with focus and devotion can help awaken your spiritual energy, bring clarity to your mind, and foster inner peace. Let's break down the pronunciation slowly. Om Narayanaya Vidmahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayat. It's very important to chant each syllable correctly, as every sound vibration carries divine energy. The best time to chant is early morning, just after sunrise, facing east, when the environment is calm and your mind is fresh. This is the time when cosmic energies are most receptive, and the vibrations of the mantra resonate strongly in your body and soul. Regular chanting of this mantra can improve concentration, reduce stress, attract positive energy, and enhance spiritual growth. The benefits are not only spiritual. You may notice improved focus in daily life, better emotional balance, and increased resilience during challenging times. But remember, incorrect pronunciation or inattentive chanting may reduce the effectiveness of the mantra. It's better to chant slowly and with mindfulness rather than quickly and carelessly. Let each syllable connect with your heart and breath. As you chant, visualize Lord Vishnu's divine presence, his blue form radiating calmness and energy, guiding your mind and soul. This visualization strengthens the mantra's power, aligning your mind with universal energy. For beginners, start with 3-5 repetitions daily, gradually increasing to 11 or 21 times as your focus deepens. Combine this practice with deep breathing and meditation for maximum benefits. Chanting the Vishnu Gayatri Mantra is not just about repetition, it's about connection, devotion, and energy alignment. By embracing this mantra daily, you invite Lord Vishnu's blessings into your life, cultivating wisdom, peace, and protection from negative influences. So take a deep breath, focus your mind, and let the divine energy of Lord Vishnu flow through you. Regular chanting will harmonize your mind, body, and soul, creating a ripple effect of positivity in your life and surroundings. Regular chanting will harmonize your mind, body, and soul, creating a ripple effect of positivity in your life and surroundings. Regular chanting will harmonize your mind, body, and soul, creating a ripple effect of positivity in your life and surroundings. If you enjoyed this mantra session, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and activate the notification bell for more spiritual practices and divine chants. If you enjoyed this mantra session, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and activate the notification bell for more spiritual practices and divine chants.